My friend, today our Delectable Dyads key of E has 4 sharps. That means we have the first sharp that's in every key. That sharp, F sharp. When we play our second sharp, it's gonna be a C sharp. After that, we have a G sharp, and then we've got our D sharp. When we play our D sharp, we are playing the 4 notes that used to be natural notes. So if we had our G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, we'd have our G major. If we had our D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, we would have our D major. When we go through the circle of fifths, we find that our A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, and then our diminished chord when we're going back to our A has to be the G sharp diminished. We always add on a sharp as the last. So when we go to the key of E, we have E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp. Now we add D sharp. When we play E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, we have all the notes that are charismatic of a E major scale. Now, what we're talking about today is called a dyad. The 2 notes of a chord, which is called a triad, by the way, BT dubs, is called the major third in a major chord. Now you can definitely hear it through E major because the E major we have, this one is a little harder, I know, E, G sharp, B. It gives us our tonality of having a happy sounding chord. All those notes are what we call consonances. If we have a funky chord, we have some sort of dissonances between these notes and these intervals. However, one of the really cool things we could do is get associated with common tone. Our common tone chords are G major, G minor, G diminished, and believe it or not, there's another one that nobody ever learns because it's not in a major chord. It's called a G augmented, and it's really super groovy. 1 3 5 manipulates to a 1 flat 3 5. Then we have a 1 flat 3 flat 5, and then we have a 1 3 sharp 5. We'll talk about all these in different videos. Check out this channel, subscribe to B if you already haven't. But for today, let's play the first 2 notes in an E major scale. Let's play the E and the G sharp, giving us a major dyad. Wunderbar. Let's go down a half step and back up to it. That's going to be our first step in this movement. Our next movement's going to go to the B major because it's the major 5th of this chord. The 2 notes we're going to play are going to be up top here. We're going to be playing the B note, and then we're going to be playing the F sharp. Wonderful dyad as well. Awesome. So watch what we're going to do. We're going back and forth again. And then we're going back to our E. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, and go. Pluck, pull them back and forth, and then pluck, pluck. That mechanism is going to be the foundation of this groove. Then we're going to be adding just in a quick melody. E, F sharp, G sharp, A. When we go up to the B and pull them back and forth, that's going to give us a sustainable melody. Here we go. 2 chord groove, and here's our lead. 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. These are fun dyads, but what if we wanted to get out of this and have a little outro? Maybe we could do our E, our B, and then when we change it to a B dominant, still same kind of chord, but it adds a feeling of moving. We're actually using it as something called a gateway or a lending tone or a leading tone, which means you will get to move from one key to another. Dare I say, if you complicate it and put like an A7, G7, E7, and then go back to your B7, you'd be doing a string of things called secondary dominants. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this for the Delectable Dyad series. This is the key of E. Try and play those 2 notes together and have fun working on slides. Aloha!